Hey guys, today is my first video, and I'm going to be playing with Quest on my Samsung phone. So, Quest Mountain. I haven't paid for the in-app purchases or anything. I'm not getting the customization, if you know what that is. But I'm going to create a new one. And I don't know what I should call it. Flax? Or should it be a girl? I'm just gonna make it called Rain. I'm not sure if it should be. I'm gonna make it a girl grey. Actually, a boy grey. It's not. Just come on. Okay, never mind. Put that on 50. And here's a tip: never let your stamina go on to 39 or less, because then you run out quickly. I had the game before and I think it was enough left, probably not to the stamina was like that, and it wasn't very good. So I don't want you guys making the same mistake. You can go on to like 41 or something. Okay, I kind of like that. So, yeah, continue. I got the game not too long ago, and I've been, since 2015, I've really wanted it. So, yeah. And my mum let me try to get it on her computer. It loaded, but it kind of was really laggy. And it just didn't work. So now I get it on my phone. Don't think this is pretty dumb, but I'm gonna go for pretty easy because if you don't know what Wolf Quest is, you should really go find it out. But I'll explain a bit of it to you anyways. So Wolf Quest is a game. And speak it out, sorry. And it's about you living a life as a wolf in, I think it's Yellowstone Park. And you are supposed to try and live up your life. And get a mate, have pups, and yeah, it's just like live the life of a wolf. Rawr. I don't know if this works, but if I growl it, something happens. It does nothing. I don't know what the growl is meant to do. It's meant to sorry about this really glitchy grind. I have no idea why it's like this, but I go into sync view so it doesn't glitch, but also it's kind of useful to use sync view at times. I've played so much. I'm sorry. So now I'm heading to the forest to kill another elk. If you can see up on the top left there under my wolf thing, there is a compass. I'm heading towards the elk from here, so you need to see it and head up to snip. It's a huge bird. If my voice sounds a bit weird, it's because I'm sick. But I'll get back to you guys when I've played this out. So, yeah. Okay guys, so I've just about killed this out. Yay! Okay. Are you gonna eat, Ryan? Okay. How many experience points for him? Okay, 200. So you need I need 400 more to be able to go find a dispersal. So I practically should be taking down the entire herd, maybe? Come here! Come here! Oh, I heard something. Where are they? I hear them. I just got... Oh, there. I'll get back to you guys when I have about 800 experience points, and then we'll be able to go find a dispersal wolf. Okay guys, so I'm back with my 8th elk. Dead. I don't know if I want to go for the bull. Ow, okay, that hurts. So I'm going to go find a dispersal. Hope it works. Because I have 800. And I even said on the thing, hey, you need 800 to get a wolf person. So, yeah. Wait, what gender's Rain again? Hold on. Does it say here? That's credits. Let's try to change it to challenging. Thank you. And playing. Good. Shadows. I want shadows. Done. So I think Rain's a boy. I can't quite remember. I'm a terrible remember. Person. Yeah. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys, maybe? No. Ooh, elk. No, I don't need it. It was good, you had it. So, right now, oh, there's a bear. Hello? Hi. So, guys, I am in the territory, and my video just cut off for some reason. I'm not sure why it cut off, but it cut off. I'm really confused, but, yeah. So I also chased away that grizzly bear that we saw. And no, I don't lip smack, I just make that noise. My tongue, actually. Come on. Damn, even I heard it. Oh, I actually went so far. completely stopped talking. I am so sorry. Get to experience a long time of silence. Stupid rabbit. You died. I actually forgot that my thing was gone. I thought I paused it. I thought I saw something. Here, Wolfie, Wolfie, Wolf. Oh, oh. Oh, I'm heading the wrong way. Did it just do something? I think it saved. I don't know. Be a dispersal. Specimen female. Oh, hey, you're actually kind of pretty. Hi. I can wait. Actually, no, I'm not a threat to you. I said, but no. I'll wait and see. Get going. I'm gonna get a fight. You're not my family. You're not my family. So I don't have a freaking territory. Oh my god. She's fucking pussy. Scaredy wolf. Yeah, but she's fast, jeez. So that was a disappointment. It wasn't a dispersal. Pretty sad. But yeah. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. And there'll be an episode 2 coming out of this. Pretty soon. But yeah. Hopefully we find our mate soon. Whee! Okay. Well. Okay, bye guys.